Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very special watch unboxing for you. We have the Tissot PRX with the quartz movement. This is one of the most hyped watches in recent years. We have finally got it here. I could say this is an unboxing, but also have worn the watch a little because it was very beautiful. Now, if you're new to the channel, guys, and you enjoy this type of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description below. So guys, the watch comes on this classic Tissot watch box. As you can see, you have a white cover, and here you have the actual box. You can see the Tissot logo all around it. It has a very nice black watch box with the red line right here where you can actually also open the watch. As I mentioned, this is powered by the quartz movement. It is around $390. You can also find it sometime on sale on Amazon for around $300. Link in the description below, guys. It is half the price compared to the automatic one that has the Powermatic 80 watch movement. We have this Tissot Leloc Powermatic 80 that has the automatic movement. We also have an unboxing video about this watch as well, so you can go and check it out on the YouTube channel. Now, going back to our watch, so the PRX with the quartz movement, let's check it out. So you can already see the beautiful blue dial, so very beautiful presence. It is a very nice and classic design. The watch comes on a black cushion, as you can see, very nice material. Also you have the Tissot box, very nice, so very nice box. Here you have the box and papers with the warranty card right here at the bottom. So you have this very beautiful blue sunburst dial. The watch resembles a lot the Tissot C-Star from the 70s. You can see a lot of Tissot DNA within these two watches, but when you see this one in person, you can actually see that it has a lot of more modern design, and you can also say that it resembles other more popular watch brands and more expensive watch brands such as Audemars Piguet, Vacheron Constantin, and also Patek Philippe, because they have a little bit of all of them within this watch. You can say that it resembles the Vacheron Constantin Overseas and also the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, maybe even the Nautilus. You also have the blue dial. So this is a very appealing watch if you want to have a very classic and expensive wristwatch look on your wrist, but without actually breaking the bank. So let's open the watch. As you can see, it has the butterfly bracelet, so the butterfly clasp right here, very beautiful. A lot of people enjoy these clasps, and as you can see, everything sounds very nice. Here you have a very small quick release bracelet, something that is very nice, but I would recommend to only take it when you actually want to replace the watch strap or the watch bracelet, because it is very easy to take out using these quick release pins, but it is harder to put back in. We have a video on how to actually take it out and put it back in, so make sure to check it out. As you can see on the dial, a very simple minimalistic dial. We have the date window here at 3 o'clock. You have a very simple square or rectangular date window. You have very simple hour markers. They have a little bit of lume, not very pronounced since it is very minimalistic as well. You have Tissot 1853 at the top, so at 12 o'clock, and then you have the PRX here at 6 o'clock, also Swiss made, so that is everything about the dial. It has a very interesting K shape. It is called the Tourneau shape, so something very cool. It has a width of exactly 40 millimeters with a lug-to-lug distance of 39.5 millimeters, so around 40 millimeters overall. And then it has a case thickness of 10.4 millimeters. It is just a little bit thinner compared to the automatic version, which has the see-through back, and that makes it a little bit more thick compared to this one. But when it comes to the automatic version, so the automatic Powermatic 80 PRX, they share the same case. They share the same bracelet, so the finishing is the same. So you can actually get this design, this quality, this finishing for half the price with the quartz version. The quartz watch is powered by a battery, so you have a battery 371 that powers this movement. You can easily replace it. It has a snap-off back, and also it doesn't have a screw-down crown. This means that you won't be able to get inside water with this watch. They say that it has 10 bars, so 100 meters of water protection, but I wouldn't recommend going inside the pool with these watches because you can actually damage the movement in case water goes inside. You can also find all this information right here on the back. As you can see, 100 meters of water resistance. You have a sapphire crystal, something that is very nice, and it will resist to a lot of scratches, so you won't scratch it very easily compared to regular mineral watch crystals or acrylic watch crystals. So a very big upside on that part. As you can see, it has very beautiful finishing. The polishing and the brushing on the bracelet looks amazing, so I would say that this is a very nicely finished watch. Also, it has a very compact bracelet, so as you can see from the profile, the lateral view, you can see that it bends just a little. So this means that compared to other stainless steel watch bracelets, this one is in very good condition. You can easily adjust the length of the watch strap. It will come with a lot of extra links, so you can actually adjust them very easily. I will make a video about that as well. And then when you want to replace the watch better, you have a snap-off back, so you can actually take the bracelet out and replace the watch battery, so that is quite fast. When you want to set the time, if you pull the crown all the way back, as you can see, the seconds hand has stopped, meaning that this movement has a hacking. Now you can actually adjust the time. When we go past 12 o'clock at midnight, you can see that it has an instant date change right now, so a quick date set. And if you want to set the date, you can simply pull the crown to the first position and you can easily adjust the date. So it is very simple to work with. Everything will go very smoothly, so you do not need a lot of experience when it comes to watches compared to automatic mechanical watches with the date change, if you have the date window as well on the automatic watches. So guys, this is the first view of the watch. I would say that this is a great men's elegant watch that will look a lot more expensive compared to how expensive it is. Once again, you can check the link in the description below in order to buy it from Amazon. All the hour markers and the watch hands have super luminova, so you will have a very decent lume, so the quality of the lume is quite good. But as I mentioned, the indices are quite small, so you won't have a very powerful lume compared to other, let's say, Seiko SRPD models or the SKX. And as I mentioned, guys, I wouldn't go inside water with this watch. You can ignore, I would say, the water resistance of 100 meters. This is a classic dress men's watch. At this point, they also have the women's version at around 35 millimeters, and I believe that also a model that has 36 millimeters for smaller wrists. So that is something quite cool. You can also get the watch on a leather strap, or you can order a blue leather strap, or you can go with the green dial. You have more variations at this point. You also have the version with the Tiffany blue dial, so you can go and check it out as well. So guys, that was the unboxing of this Tissot PRX. I'm really impressed with the finishing, with the quality, also the design. You can see Gerald Genta all over this dial, so something very cool. Maybe some people will hate about that, but nonetheless a very nice and beautiful watch. Now, if you enjoyed this type of videos, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.